Hi, I'm Glenn Welch, and welcome back to the Biteharder channel. Last month, we introduced our newest product, the Snowmobile Helmet Safety Light, which when mounted to the back of your helmet, provides increased visibility and safety in all conditions, including snow dust, snowstorms, fog, and of course, at night. We are fortunate to carry this product through a partnership between LJE Products and Biteharder. With us today is Lenn Johnson, owner of LJE Products and developer of the Helmet Safety Light. Lenn, welcome to Biteharder.
Thanks for having me, Glenn.
Nice to have you here.
Hey, it's great to be here.
Some of you may already know Lenn and the Helmet Safety Light, as he has been selling the lights under the name Snow Dust Buster LED Helmet Safety Lights for the past 5 years. Lenn, tell us a little bit about your background and the story behind the Helmet Safety Lights. What was your inspiration to develop these lights?
Thanks for the opportunity to be here today. And I'll tell you how it all started. I'm an electrical contractor by trade and a big avid snowmobiler. I ride with my brothers, a lot of friends, and we have an annual trip to Maine that we do every year. And in Maine, there's always a slight casualty on the trail, such as somebody tagging somebody in the back end. And basically it's because you're in snow dust, and when somebody slows down, you can't always see the brake light. And by the time you react and try to slow down yourself because of the conditions, you end up hitting the bumper or something happens. Nobody's ever got hurt, but I just got kind of sick of that, and I was like, there's got to be a way to make this better. I had seen helmet lights on helmets in the past, but they were battery powered, and they just weren't very strong. You couldn't even see them during the daytime. So I thought, I'm a contractor. I can wire this up real quick, hook it to the heated shield, because we all wear a heated shield. There's already 12 volts of power up at the helmet. And I'm thinking, let's just modify an LED strip, put it on the back of the helmet and try it out. So I did it. And that particular trip, after riding for the next few days in different varying conditions, it was February of 2015 that this happened. And my brothers and all my friends that were on the trip, there was 13 of us on that trip. They were like, you got something there. That thing's amazing. We can see it in the daytime. We always know where you are. It's a great idea. You need to make more of these for us. So the next weekend, I made a whole bunch on my kitchen table, brought them up to Pittsburgh, and we tried it again with not just me having the light on the back of my helmet, but everybody having a light on the back of their helmet. Fantastic. And after that happened, that was when the light bulb went off in my head, and I said, I probably should try to market these. And my brother said the same thing. And that's how it all started, right there.
So Lenn, can you walk us through how they work?
I sure can, Glenn. So basically what I did was I took the available power that's already at the helmet that runs the heated shield. And this is my fourth generation of this design. But over the years, I've improved it and improved it. And what we're basically doing is this is the power that's coming from your snowmobile, from your current heated shield cord. It goes into a RCA input that I already have on the light, through the light itself, back out, and it powers up the heated shield. Because the light only uses about 1/2 watt, it doesn't draw much power, and it allows the shield to function normally, as well as giving you that nice, almost 200 lumens of light on the back of your helmet.
Lenn, what is the power requirement for the heated shield, and how much power is actually coming from the accessory plug?
So there's probably about, I would say, 8 amps of power available in this cord assembly coming from the snowmobile.
And the light uses how much of that?
1/2 watt, it's way less than an amp. The heated shield draws about 10 to 12 watts of power to run.
Which is how many amps?
We have to do the math, so that's 1 amp.
1 amp.
Yep.
So you're only using an amp here and an amp here for the heated shield. You've still got
plenty of
6 amps
ampacity.
to go. Yeah, capacity right there.
Plenty of ampacity.
Fantastic.
There. So when you purchase the helmet safety light from Biteharder, this is what you're going to see in the package. It's basically a very simple kit to install on a helmet. So in here is instructions and the light kit itself with some alcohol wipes and a couple clamps. LED flexible. It's made out of a silicone impregnated covering that goes over the LEDs, as well as a braided reinforced silicone cord, which does not get hard and stiff in the cold. And it can take the stress of, riding down the trail and the wind blowing and snow blowing. Basically simple LEDs, simple setup. You're going to mount it on your helmet, peel and stick 3M adhesive. Once you put it on, it will not come off, and you're up and running. That easy.
As Len mentioned, all helmet safety lights come with a complete set of instructions. However, at the end of this video, there will be a short segment on how to assemble a helmet safety light to a helmet. Helmet safety lights come in 5 different colors: red, green, amber, blue, and pink, and retail for $39.95. They can be purchased through the Biteharder website, where you can also find technical information about the lights and our press release on our partnership. Len, thanks for your time today and for teaming up with us on a great product.
Thanks for having me on the team.